Hi, I'm Steve and I'm with I-94 RV, and what we have here is a 2002 KZ Sportsman 8-foot truck camper. This is basically in very good condition. Doesn't show any sign of leakage or damage issues around, and it also does have a roof air conditioner on the top. So and it comes with the basic hardware to mount it to your truck, and also these stands which allow you to take it on and off the truck as well. So let's take a quick walk around it and see what it looks like. Underneath down here, it all looks in good shape. This basically this slide-in just does not show any water damage or issues like that. The people who had it took very, very good care of it, and in fact they were very sad to trade it in. So right here is a ladder to the top. That's a real nice feature. And again, I did go up on the roof and look at it, and it looks to be in real good shape. No signs of resealing up there, no signs of any kind of issues. So this slide-in camper is nice and solid and dry. 2 LP tanks. And that's the back side of the refrigerator. Okay. This stuff right here is basically the hardware that came off the truck that this was mounted to. There's a linoleum floor or installed in this slide-in. That was not original. The original stuff would have been white. And then all these cushions and the bedding have all been redone. So it's all in a real nice kind of a hip look. Basically proves that these people took very good care of it. Up in the top here, again, it's all solid, dry, no signs of any mildew or stains or no bad smells in this. It does not smell like smoke or anything like that. A little bit of storage. And then up here is an emergency exit that pops open, gives you a lot of ventilation. This cabinet right here folds down and could be made into an extra bunk, or it is good storage. Right here, this is the refrigerator, and this is a 3-way fridge, so very cool item to have. I have not cleaned this camper at all, and I would say it came in this way and it is very, very clean. Okay, there's the roof air conditioner, 110 volt roof air. The range and the sink are very clean. Like I said, these folks were very sentimental about this, took good care of it, but they did buy a travel trailer toy hauler. Just slide that gently. And there is the toilet in the bathroom. So that'll come in handy in the middle of the night. And there's also a DVD player there. That's the emergency exit coming back down. Alright, this is a very nice slide-in truck camper, and I think whoever wins the auction on this is really going to love it.